47 years old, Guy E. House isn't a panicked civilian making a tragic mistake. He is a career criminal with a rap sheet spanning 3 decades. Over 40 prior charges, from auto theft to assaulting law enforcement. Operating under the amateur rap alias Honky Kong, House harbors a deep-seated contempt for authority. But the true catalyst for today's violence? An emergency.
10-4, Billy.
Go ahead and put your hand on the steering wheel for me. Go ahead and put your hand on the steering wheel for me. So go ahead and put your hand on the steering wheel. What's going on? The reason why you're not your driver seatbelt on?
It was.
Huh?
It was.
It was. You got the driver's license? What's going on? The reason why you're not your driver seatbelt on?
It was.
Huh?
It was.
It was. You got the driver's license? Can you roll down the back window? What's going on, bud? Good, good. You got the driver's license on you too? Okay, you're not wearing your seatbelt.
He feigns compliance, establishing a baseline of a non-threat. But notice the calculated social mask designed to delay the inevitable confrontation while he calculates his next strike.
Roll down the back window. What's going on, bud? Good, good. You got the driver's license on you too? Okay, you're not wearing your seatbelt. Do you have any ID on you? Go ahead and put the car in park because it don't park. Where are you guys headed? What is it?
My house.
Do you have a social? What is it?
Shot fired. 10-4, what's your 20?
Right at the airport.
3-4, 1064.
No bleeding. Shot in the leg. Shot in the leg.
Leg.
House hits cognitive overload. A textbook amygdala hijack takes over. Watch the verbal dodging as the illusion of power shatters.
Do you have any ID on you? Go ahead and put the car in park because it don't park. Where are you guys headed? What is it?
My house.
Do you have a social? What is it?
He breaks the kinetic chain, carjacking his way out of Terminal Drive, a golden ticket into a 16-mile nightmare.
3-4, shot fired. 3-4, shot fired.
10-4, what's your 20?
Right at the airport.
3-4, 1064.
No bleeding. Shot in the leg. Shot in the leg.
Leg. 10-4, Billy, start EMS. Did you get a description of the vehicle? Or what they had on?
10-4, stand raw subject. Just get back. Get back. Just get back. Yeah. 3-4.
Abandoning his first stolen truck at Sayre Christian Village, he sprints to Richmond Road Baptist Church. Unable to find his primary target, he slaughters Beverly Gumm and Christina Combs, turning a sanctuary into a slaughterhouse.
Help, please!
What
do you do? What do you want to do?
Bleeding on the leg.
Tourniquet?
Yes, please.
Oh my God, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Therefore, you're not coming out.
Bleeding on the leg.
Here,
Shot me in the leg.
here. What do I do? What do I do? You know what? Just tell me what to do.
Yeah.
Turn it tight.
Therefore,
Yes.
hang on.
Bleeding on the leg.
Oh my God. Is that time? It's not time enough, is it?
Did you get a description of what the male was wearing and what directions he fled?
Who was there for?
Here. Oh my God.
10-4 towards the airport.
Here.
204 is en route to you.
Oh my God.
Bleeding. There's some water, please. Shot in the leg.
Oh my God.
What do you need, buddy? 911?
Yeah.
Somebody call?
Somebody, yeah. We need a better tourniquet. Do you have a tourniquet on you? Do you have a tourniquet on you?
I got another belt.
Yes.
You got another belt?
Yeah.
I'm not, because I don't have this one good.
Is that the only place you were shot?
Amidst the chaos, 2 off-duty nurses orchestrate a masterclass in tactical triage. They bypass the panic, immediately isolating the femoral artery.
Yes, I think so.
Frank for 304.
You got that water?
Are you
Is help on the way?
Yeah.
911 called. He's got a tourniquet on it. You just got one boy.
Yes.
We saw pulling out the
Yeah.
wrong way. He almost hit us too.
More water?
Yes.
This is the fresh. I just opened it.
911's already been called.
Is that the guy in the black truck?
The gray.
He almost hit us, dude. I was like, what is this guy doing?
If I'd have been 15 seconds earlier, he'd have knocked me right
Okay.
off my bike.
Did he
Frank
shoot
for
you?
304.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Is the belt around his leg?
It's not good. I don't have it on here. I've got it on as tight as I can twist it, but he needs another tourniquet.
Do you have a belt
Yeah.
belt? We can
Yeah, right.
tighten it. Yeah.
Get up higher as high as you can.
All right, dude.
Okay. Pull your leg this way so they can get through there.
As blood loss reaches a critical threshold, they apply a double tourniquet. Notice their psychological grounding, forcing him to focus on his daughter.
Hey,
Any more water?
Drink it all.
Yeah, just trying to keep the sun off of it. Here, son. Is that good? Where is
I don't know if I can get any tighter or not.
Shit, lean up against me.
Where you going with that?
Over here.
I might just have to hold it.
Where is the shot? Right here?
Down here. Where Tyler's hand is. Did it go all the way through?
I don't know. There's no water.
Yeah.
Would you like for me to do that?
Yep, it might be easier for you. I'm just trying to stand behind him so he has something to lean up against.
You
Josh,
wanna
she
give us
good?
more? You okay?
She
Stay with us.
We're sorry.
Stay with us. Stay with us.
You're alright.
Stay away.
We're almost here.
Where is 911?
I hear sirens.
You ready for more? Just stay with us. Let me pour it on your head a little bit. Yeah?
Alright.
Sorry, man.
No, you're fine.
Oops.
Just trying to keep his head up. What happened here anyway? The vest? You need the vest off?
Sorry. I don't
You
even.
alright?
Yeah.
So what's your name?
We're sorry about this.
Who shot you, bub?
Is that guy?
The guy in the black truck that just about hit us going out.
Hey, stay with us.
He's gone.
You
Just stay
okay?
away.
Stay with
More
me.
water on your head?
You got it.
Anybody got any more water in their vehicle?
Where is? Water, baby. You guys see an ambulance coming?
I heard them, but I'm sorry, man. You just tell me what to do.
You
You ready
okay?
for another drink?
Look at me.
Oh,
You married?
Go ahead.
No? Got a girlfriend? Any kids?
yes.
Yeah? How many? How many kids you got? Huh?
One.
Oh, what's her name?
We're in.
Brianne?
Yeah.
Where are you shot at, Hoss?
In the leg.
In the leg?
One in the leg.
10-4.
Ready for a drink?
What's your unit number? 204?
304.
You get number 304, go ahead. You get the airport locked down.
Yeah.
The truck went that way. It was a black Ford pickup. It was a newer.
It was a Dodge.
Was it Dodge?
Ram,
I don't know. He just about hit us. We had to swerve over to. I was like,
304 radio. You can switch to B. All units need to be on B per 204.
We need an ambulance like now.
you ready for another drink? You talk to him.
They're coming.
What was you trying to stop him for, boss?
Once.
That's
So they at least have the plate number, right?
12D, 12D.
The stolen truck's owner reveals the final piece of the puzzle. House didn't run out of fear. He ran with absolute premeditation.
It's my truck. It was a friend of mine asked for a ride, and when the cop got behind me, he told me to run. I said, I'm not going to run, man. Wow.
So you know truck.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Step back over here for me.
Okay. Can you hold this?
Yeah.
Okay.
You okay, hurting? Yeah. Sorry, man.
I've known you for a while.
Tighten this up.
You're good, right? Yeah.
Ready for another drink?
bleed.
I try to get somebody to get some more water up here.
Do you have water?
Go?
He needs water.
Where did Josh go? Why is he not in the car beside him?
He's walking with her. She was crying.
Oh,
She
okay.
wanted that. You want it on your head?
Yeah.
Anybody got a napkin? Wipe his face off a little bit.
He got a tourniquet on.
Yeah, we got two.
We got a hell.
As best as we could do. If you got something better, then he shot right here.
You okay?
So
How'd you get shot?
hey, this guy right here has all the info.
lean back a little bit.
Huh? Lean back?
Lean back.
Just don't go out on us.
Is that good?
Okay.
You want to go up a little bit more? Or
The guy that was in the blue shirt, talk to him. He can give you all the info. Where you want it at?
Put it right down here. Yeah, because I was telling you shit.
Stay with me, dude.
Stay up. Hey, water.
But I was terrified.
You let me know if you need ambulance.
You okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to need everybody here. This is going to be a state trooper that's been shot.
He said he would pull the guy over for warrants. This guy over here in the blue shirt, I think it might have been his truck. And when he got behind him, the guy tells him to run. And he's like, no, I'm not running. So he gets out of the truck and the other guy steals his truck, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. But he knows everything. You know.
We come up, the truck almost hit us.
All right, sir. This is going to hurt on your leg.
This guy's over there laying in the grass.
Let's see this here.
Or hose. Is he shot more than once?
Yep. How far back is he allowed to go? Can he go all the way down?
He can lay all the way down.
You pour it on your forehead? Just don't go out on us, brother.
She's just going to be right up in the corner. Operation's going to be right up in the corner.
I won't put it in your eyes or your nose or anything like that.
Give us more water. I don't know if it's cool, but...
Can we pour it in there?
11:44.
Okay.
That goes the rescue squad going up.
You ready for it? You want a drink or no? Here's a lot small.
Let them know that they are going the wrong way. It's going to be at the airport. I need them at the airport.
Want another shot?
Oh, yes.
You need more?
Yeah.
I'm going to pour it across your forehead and go back, okay? Cool you off a little bit. I'm going to pour it on your neck a little bit. Is that good?
Yeah.
The shooter is gunned down by police. The heroes receive their highest honors, justice, at a heavy price. If they arrived 15 seconds later, would justice survive?